Hello friends, today we will see the bool data type. Bool data type, it is a full form of a Boolean data type. In other programming languages, we will call that it is a Boolean data type. It provides two two values. It provides two values, true and false. This data type we will write in the content. This data type is is able to provide the data type is able to provide two values like true and false. Examples of Boolean data type or syntax of Boolean data type. A equals to true. We will see in right here. A is equals to true. Print A. Print type of A. Type of A. Print ID of A. Once execute and show that answer. Python test.py. We will got true and the class is the boolean full and ID is 147362 6231 68616. We'll take the output also. If suppose take I'm going to take one scenario called on a scenario called A is equals to 2, A is equals to 2, print A, print ID of A is equals to false. I'm going to try to change that value from true to false. Print A, print ID of A. Python test.py. We have seen that here is one value, one ID value. Here is one ID value. ID value is the changes. Through these changes, we observe that it is a mutable in nature. Sorry, immutable in nature. In then Python, full data type is a full data type. Objects are immutable, immutable objects. Example like output. We are going to see some operations like we're going to perform some operations like A is equals to true, print A. If A is equals to if some P is of sorry B is equals to A plus 1, print B, print B. If you try to execute this program, test.py, I think I did not save that. I'm getting that previous one. Save that file, Python test.py. We got true and two value. This is a true. This one is I got two. If you try to add the add the zero in place of one, true and one value. This value is one. If try to execute false, send one value, false and one value. If try to execute, if we will give the zero in place of one, false and zero value. How it is getting that? Instead of going that a is equals to true, print b is equals to int of a int b. Python test.py. We got the answer is 1. Like that, same for if take the a is equals to false, Python test.py, we got the 0. I'm converting from in this boolean to integer form. It is giving that 0. Answer is the true is giving that one value. This one is giving the one value. This true is false is giving that 0 value. Like that, we are false is giving the 0 value. From the conclusion we have observed, in Python, Boolean values are bool values true and true, sorry, true and false are represented, sorry, represented, presented internally in the form of in the form of 1 and 0, 0 respectively, 1 and 0 respectively, and it is possible to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, multiplication, multiplications on over over Boolean values or bool values. We will write one program called performing some operations. If a is equals to true, b is equals to false, print, sorry, c is equals to 2 plus, sorry, a plus b, print of c, d is equals to a minus b, print of d, e is equals to a into p, print of e. sorry, f is equals to a divided by p print of f. If we save and try to execute this, we will got this one as, oh sorry, I am getting this one as 0. If we take that true and true and try to execute this one, 2, 0, 1, 1.0. If you try to take the floor division also, basically G, G, A, floor division, B, print, G, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1.01. This one is taking that internally 2 is taking that 1 plus 1 plus 1 is performing. We are getting that 2. 1 minus 1, we are getting that 0. 1 into 1, we are getting to 1. 1 divided by 1, we are getting 1.0. Getting 1. Once again, I save and execute that program. 2, 0, 1, 1.1, 1. If you want to take modular division also, h equals to a mod b print of h. We got 0. This one is 0 answer. You will see what is the operations in a while going to, while this what is this plus and minus operations and star and divide operator and modular division and floor division in operators. In arithmetic operators, we will see this clearly. Python test.py. Once again, I'm summarizing that bool data type. This data type represents provides two values like true and false, true and false. Syntax for this getting that a is equals to true. We are writing the data and the type and ID also. If this bool data type objects are immutable, if if this bool data type objects are immutable, we are getting that if we try to change that object also, if try to change that object, we are getting the two ID values. This one is a one ID value, this one is another ID values. In bool data type, internally that bool values like true and false are represented internally in the form of 1 and 0 respectively. And it is possible to arithmetic operations are possible to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication over Boolean values. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.